When tragedy strikes,
The water is coming up. Are you trapped in a house?
theirs is the first voice you hear.
Okay, and can I get your name? Every day I feel like it's something different. It's something new.
After so many years as a dispatcher,
Your last name?
Quanise Thomas is used to the question,
Yeah, I get that question a lot.
what was her worst call?
Nobody could have prepared us for that.
You know how much more this is supposed to come up?
It is a moment still hanging over her head 20 years ago in her hometown.
President Bush has issued a state of emergency.
Hurricane Katrina, and she was on the front lines as a dispatcher for New Orleans PD.
We were listening to people basically drown.
It's just hard to fathom. Look at that. Those are homes.
They lived in the 9th Ward. She left her family, her 10-month-old twins, to take emergency calls. Hundreds of them, thousands.
I'm listening for my street, listening for my neighborhood.
She ate canned goods, MREs, slept on the floor in back rooms and hotel ballrooms,
2 days turned into almost 2 weeks.
which turned into nearly 2 months. She learned her father was rescued off the roof. She didn't know where her mother was for a whole month, until her name showed up on a news channel in Oklahoma.
I didn't know if she had made it. And so to see that, like that was the last person that was missing. So that was like a weight was lifted because we didn't think that she made it. She didn't even know where she was. And so it was rough.
You'd think 20 years is enough time to move on. Not when you're a dispatcher.
That's what I struggled with, not knowing how many people I told help was coming in. Help didn't get to them.
She and her children moved to DFW in 2006 to a town appropriately named Fate.
If Katrina wouldn't have happened, I would probably still be in New Orleans today.
Storms still give her anxiety, especially the ones at her doorstep.
If I had a choice,
Yeah.
I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't.
She's trapped in an attic. My little sister, she's 11.
Quanise has been with Plano ever since and thankful for it.
Communications, this is Quanise. How may I help you?
She still takes emergency calls.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hurricane Katrina gave her a perspective few can imagine.
Please, I'm begging you.
The kind that understands what it means to be the first voice you hear, but also
My voice was the last voice that they heard.
I heard them both, but nobody stopped to get it.
in DFW. I'm Jobin Puneker.